Before replacing the circulation fan, first, go to the side of the machine. After power off, remove the 4 screws. When removing the last screw, note that the fan is hooked to prevent it from falling over. Then go to the electrical cabinet on the back of the machine. Find the circulating fan wiring and unplug it. Next, remove the fan from the sheet metal. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the 4 screws. Then secure the sheet metal to the new fan. The fan is then secured back into the machine. Note that the fan vents should be facing the inside. After tightening the screws of the fan, thread its power cord to the back of the machine. Finally, connect it back into the motherboard.